Hey guys, happy holidays by the way. Been off for 5 days now and we've been at home a lot. So today's Tuesday, it's finally snowed here at home and it's sunny out today. I am going to go to Lynn Creek Falls and play around with the drone and the camera. It's about -8 out today. I don't feel too bad because the sun's out. It's nice. Lynn Creek is near Brockville, Ontario. It's just west of there, not too far. I do paddle on it with the kayaks usually, but I've been wanting to take my drone and do some video footage. So we're going to take you there right now and let's head out and do a little B-roll. Andy's Weekly style. Here we go. Boom. Just arrived at the trail, just getting my gear ready. My new Thule camera bag hiking backpack. First time use, got it for Christmas from my parents. So I'm gonna test it out. It's kind of funny because they knew I needed a new backpack from my last video in Gatineau Park. So it was their idea to get me a new one. So I'm pumped to use this today. It fits everything very well, so super cool. Alright, this is perfect because there's nobody on this trail, and I know that because there's no footprints. So I should have this to myself today because it is a work day and I took today off, so it'd be cool just to play around today. all the rain that we got last week, and then yesterday's thaw, we get some good waterfalls here. So this is a local place, close to home. I've been here a couple times, but I haven't seen this much flow in Lynn Creek Falls. So I figured today was the perfect time to come with all the thawing and rain that we got. I'm gonna try and get some drone stuff here today, but there's a lot of twigs in the way, so I hope I don't lose my drone. This sure does beat being cooped up inside all day for the last 4 days. I needed to get out. This trail runs all the way down here alongside this creek. I do kayak this creek in the spring, and this creek feeds into the St. Lawrence River. I usually kayak from Lynn down to St. Lawrence River every spring. And there's beers involved, of course. It's kind of crazy because I don't think a lot of people know about this little spot, and it's just a small town. Like people that live in Lynn do, but in Brockville, all the little towns outside, I don't think they even know about this spot because you don't get a lot of traffic here. So I really like this backpack. It's pretty sweet. I can even put my tripod at the side here. It's got a little pocket with a snap-on strap, so I can strap it in. It's solid, so it just stays right on the pack. She's a beaut. Wow, the water's rushing today. A couple times I almost lost my drone or flew into a branch over top of the creek, which gets my heart racing. I don't know why. Sometimes the drone just does its own little thing and then I have to like fight it to not do it. I don't know why it does that, so I got to be more careful with it, because I feel like every time I fly it somewhere over water or waterfalls, I almost lose the damn thing. So yeah, my heart was pumping again, but flew it back safe. I got it back, so that's good. It's harder with the colder weather because drones tend to lose their battery life quicker. So you got to be super quick with them and keep them warm when you're out on the trails. Didn't break anything today, so that's good. It's always a bonus when you don't break shit. Well, I'm gonna head back to the Jeep and head back home, and we'll put this video together. I didn't know Kermit the Frog was going to be joining us today. I just watched the Muppet Show there yesterday with the baby. There's a good 3 sets of drop-off waterfalls on Lynn Creek. So there's 3 to check out. This is the first one. And then the other 2 are just down the creek. So I'm trying to shoot all 3 with drone, camera, put them all together. You can always find nice waterfalls no matter where you are. There's always somewhere close. Back to the Jeep, heading home. Alright, I hope you enjoyed today's short B-roll video of Lynn Creek Falls. I'm wanting to do drone and video of this spot. So I finally did it today, had a day off. So it was nice to get out and just enjoy that, play around. Okay, so you see this spot right here? There's ice right there. A four-wheeler just came up this road and he hit the gas right here. And he's literally going sideways towards me in the Jeep and scared the shit out of me. I had to jump out of the way, and he finally got grip here and ended up missing the Jeep just barely. Holy shit. Just a young kid being stupid on the bike. But it is icy, but he was flying. And I thought my Jeep was going to get hit by the four-wheeler. Holy crap, that was crazy. Wow. That wouldn't have been good. That being said, probably should get out of here before a car runs into me because people seem to be going quick around this corner. So I'm gonna pack her up, gotta get going. Thanks for stopping by on the vlog. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment, and stay tuned for more videos. I'm gonna keep trying, putting more videos, content out there, but it's been tough with the baby and the colder weather now. It's just hard to get out, but I'll try to do some local spots this winter, just to do some drone and video stuff, and then this summer we'll be getting out, doing more adventures, and hopefully get back over to the States and do some more hiking. So thanks for tuning in. We'll see you later. Cheers. Get to see little Peyton. Probably misses me. Woo. Yeah. Oh, that's gonna be so nice to go in tonight. A Caesar and a couple beers, hot tub. Oh yeah, that's happening. Salty Beaver Explorers, what do you think of that? Caesar and a hot tub, snow. Doesn't get any better than that, right? Yes. There's Samson rolling in the snow. Come here. Come here. Say hi. Did you miss me too? Hey, come here. Pop. Come here. Hey, did you miss me too? Yes? Yes? I wouldn't be able to work a drone and bring you. It'd be hard. The dog's pee spot. Hey, come here. Where are you going? Yeah, sometimes Samson just does his own thing. But he's pretty good at staying on the property, so as long as he does that, we're good. Did somebody miss me? Did somebody miss his dad? Gone 3 hours. Maybe 2. I don't know. What's wrong there, little boy? You miss me? Hey? Hey, you don't know? Are you being Tarzan? Is that what you're doing? Because you watched 2 Tarzan movies? Yes, you're cute. It's not dark though.
Woo!
He's just so cute. Okay, I gotta get this stuff on. Bathing suit, Caesar, beers, hot tub. Check. Until next time. Boom.